Welcome to the Simplified Logic tutorial on Nitro-PROGRAM and working with parameters. Okay, let's continue creating the rest of our parameters using Nitro-PROGRAM. I'm going to click Export Program in Nitro-PROGRAM, click on Relations, and I can see my first relation that I have there, the 0 is equal to length. Now let's type in OD is equal to select dimension, pick my feature 250, and that's D1. Now I'm going to repaint my model, come back to my relation editor, and type in center hole diameter is equal to select dimension, pick my center hole, grab the D180, which is the symbol is D3, and I'll repaint my model again. And this time I'm going to do the bolt hole underscore diameter is equal to select dimension, zoom in here, grab the 10.13, which is symbol is D5, go to the next line, and this time I'm going to type in bolt circle underscore diameter is equal to, zoom out a little bit, select dimension. This time I'm going to use query because the dimension is right on top of this feature. So when I click on it, it's going to want to grab the features first. I'm just going to query and select through those, as you can see over here, until it gets on the D23 dimension, and that pops in. And I've got one more bolt hole num is equal to select dimension, pick my pattern, and again I'm going to query select, grab the two here under two extrusions. It brings up the two first features that it finds. I'm just going to query select to that, or I could have just grabbed it, click OK, and the P21 dimension drops into my relation editor. Now I'm going to click Save, and I'm going to click Import. And I need to create one more parameter, so I'm going to say Export Program again, Relations, come to my last line here. I'm going to type in hole state equals to, and open quotes, and I'm just going to leave that set to yes. The quotes are necessary because I want this parameter to be created as a string. So I'll click Save and import the program. Now let's take a look at our parameters in our Creo session. So I'll go to Parameters, and I can see that all those parameters were created, but again, they're locked. So I'm going to click OK out of this, go back to my Nitro-PROGRAM and click Export Program, go back to my relations, and now I can select all these relations at once, right-click, flip selected equations, and they turn around the way that I want them to read. I'll click Save, Import Program. It says I got a successful import. So now let's go back into my relations, and I'll see that all of my parameters are now unlocked. And let's make some changes. Let's set OD equal to 400. We'll change the bolt hole number to 6. Let's set the bolt circle diameter to 405, and I'll hit OK and regenerate. And again, not exactly the design that I'm looking for, so go back into my relations. let's change the center hole diameter to be something a little bit bigger. We'll set that to 300. Regenerate. And again, my bolt circle diameter is, my model's updated, but my bolt circle diameter is in a bad location. Okay. Now, I would like that to be somewhere in between the outer diameter and the center diameter. And in order to do that, I need to add some equations or calculations to my relation editor. And we will do that in our next video. Thanks. Please check out other video tutorials from Simplified Logic or visit our website at simplifiedlogic.com.